Okay, so this is a week 9. The first question is stoichiometry. So iron ore is reduced from iron oxide and with a coke, which is a carbon. So this is your iron oxide, which is a rust, and then this is a coke, which is a carbon. And you kind of burned this iron oxide with a lot of carbons, and then you are reducing the iron oxide into the iron, and then these things are coming out as a byproducts. So this is what's happening in the iron making. So from the rust into the pure iron, and then that's the raw material for us to use in the modern society. And for this question, that starting with 15 kilograms of carbon, calculate the mass of iron that will be produced from here. So this is the good thing is the reaction equation is given, and if you check that 2 iron on both sides and the 3 carbons on both sides, so it looks good. Okay, everything looks good. So it's well balanced. So this is quite similar to what we have discussed before. So you want the mass of iron, but you want to start with a mass which is 15 kilogram of carbon. So okay, I want to change the carbon kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams of carbon. And so this is a carbon and carbon, so that I don't have to deal with the kilogram, just a gram. And with 1 grams of carbon, how many grams of okay, so I think this is a gram, so 1 gram is carbon. How many moles? 1 mole of carbon. And then this one, you are having 12 grams. Okay, so that's now the moles of grams. And then moles of carbons, moles of iron, that's what we want. And then 1 moles of Fe. That's if you look at the periodic table, that's 55.845 grams of Fe. Okay, by essential work yourself onto this, you ended up getting this. This one is, if you look at that stoichiometry, that is 3 moles of carbon produce 2. So this is 2 over 3. So that's the number. And so therefore, if you put everything together, this comes down to 15 kilograms. Change it to the gram, and gram is now changing to a moles of carbon, and then moles of carbon is now changed to the moles of Fe, and then the 1 over 15, 55, 55.45, that's the grams of Fe. So that's what you want to have. And the answer for this one now is 4,649 grams of Fe. And you might want to change it to the kilograms. So okay, this is the one, and then that's a 46. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 46.49 kilograms of Fe. Okay, so that's how we solve using the stoichiometry.